Hello and welcome to Audium English. In this video, you will listen to an easy English story and practice your reading and speaking skills. I will also show you some important new words from the story with their meanings and synonyms. So make sure to listen carefully and repeat after me to improve your English fluency. Let's get started. Emma woke up early on a Sunday morning. She finished her breakfast and decided to visit the park near her home. It was a pleasant evening when she reached the park. The sun was setting slowly and the sky looked orange and pink. Children were running around, laughing and playing with a ball. Some families were sitting on the grass, enjoying snacks together. A group of elderly people were walking on the walking track. Emma walked slowly and enjoyed the cool breeze. She found a bench under a big green tree and sat down. She took out her favorite story book from her bag and started reading. The sound of birds chirping made the atmosphere peaceful. While she was reading, a little girl came near her. The girl asked, "What are you reading?" Emma smiled and showed her the book. The girl said, "I love stories too. Can you read one for me?" Emma read a short part of the story aloud. The little girl listened carefully with a big smile on her face. After few minutes, the girl's mother called her back. The girl waved goodbye to Emma and ran towards her mother. Emma closed the book for a moment and looked around the park. She saw children still playing, parents chatting, and birds flying home. The cool breeze touched her face and she felt very relaxed. After some time, Emma stood up and started walking back home. She thought to herself, "Spending time in the park always makes me happy." Okay, now let's see vocabulary section. First one, chirping means singing, tweeting, or warbling. For example, I heard the birds chirping in the morning. Next, pleasant, enjoyable, nice, delightful. For example, it was a pleasant evening at the park. Breeze, light wind, air. A cool breeze made me feel relaxed. If you are like the video, please subscribe and like now.